In this video, I'm going to show you how to do one of the best exercises for getting rid of elbow pain. I'm Sam Schroetke, Doctor of Physical Therapy with Physical Therapy and Hand Clinic of Hillsboro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do repeated elbow extension. I love this exercise, it's great, you can do it anywhere, and it works to eliminate elbow pain for most of the patients I'm seeing who truly have elbow pain. If I were stuck on a desert island, I would bring this one with me. So if you have pain right there, they might be calling it tennis elbow, lateral epicondylitis, or you don't care what it's called, your elbow hurts and you want it to stop. This exercise is likely going to get rid of your elbow pain. Repeated elbow extension. You can do this one in sitting or standing, it doesn't matter. Extension is when we straighten our elbow. Flexion is when we bend our elbow. So this is repeated elbow extension, so that means straightening the elbow. What you do is you take your hand that's not hurting and you put it above the point of the elbow, proximal to the point of the elbow. So the hand is just above the point of the elbow. If you're at the point of the elbow or below, you might block your elbow from fully extending. But we want to get full elbow extension because this is an end range elbow extension technique. So take that hand and put it above or proximal to the point of the elbow. That way you can fully and freely, without any impediment, get that elbow straight. So here we are above the point of the elbow, and you just straighten your elbow. You're going to hold it 1 or 2 seconds and then back. Straighten the elbow, 1 or 2 seconds, you're going to hold and then back. Just do this in a nice rhythmical fashion each time, trying to get your elbow straighter and straighter. So extend my elbow, hold 1 or 2 seconds, and then back. Extend my elbow, hold 1 or 2 seconds, and then back. Again, if as you do this it's a little uncomfortable, that's okay, just keep going. It should feel better as you do more repetitions. You should be able to move farther into the range, and it should feel better. If it's initially uncomfortable, just go into the pain a little tiny bit, hold 1 or 2 seconds, and then back. As you repeat this, as you do repetitions, you should be able to get farther into your range with less and less pain. If as you do this it starts getting worse and stiffer and you can't get to the end of your range as much, then stop. And then you might try going the opposite direction, which I'll show in another video. When you get done with a set, try things out. So if it had been painful to pick up your coffee cup or a gallon of milk or whatever, turn a doorknob, go try that. That should feel better. If it does feel better, great, green light. Keep going ahead with this technique. If it doesn't feel any different, do another set or 2. In fact, I would do 2 more sets. Try all those things again. Open a door, pick up a gallon of milk, whatever it is. And if it still doesn't feel better, then I would do the next video in the series. If it feels worse, stop. And I would then encourage you to do the opposite direction. So instead of elbow extension, you'll start doing elbow flexion. I'm Sam Schroetke, Doctor of Physical Therapy with Physical Therapy and Hand Clinic of Hillsboro, and I have just shown you how to do repeated elbow extension. The dosing for this exercise is 10 to 15 repetitions every 3 to 4 hours. So try to get at least 4 or 5 sets of 10 to 15 done per day. If you're having elbow pain and you try the series of videos and it doesn't work, then I want you to try my exercise, cervical retraction and extension. Because if these exercises don't help your elbow pain, it's likely coming from your neck, which is very, very common. Now, if you have pain that's kind of coming from here all the way down, then I would certainly start with the neck exercises first. If you like what you've seen in this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the little bell, that way you're going to be notified each time we upload a new video showing you how to do one of these powerful exercises for treating your pain and eliminating your pain. Like the video, share the video with your friends, and leave us comments below. Let us know if you tried the exercise and how it worked for you. If it worked, let us know that. We love to hear that. And if it didn't work, let us know that as well, because that way I can suggest a modification to the exercise, which might make it more beneficial to you, or I can suggest another exercise altogether, which might be more appropriate for you.